Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today we're talking about Patricia again and Unjabulo. Guys, aren't they going too deep? 16 feet under for LPC now. This is getting very dangerous. This is getting very dangerous, guys. Hayibo. Hayi wena. Hayi. Oh. So before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. You are watching the videos up until the end, and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you. So engagement is key here, guys. Please engage by likes, by comments, please. Now, Unjabulo goes on too deep. He went on too deep. Do you know what he did? He went into the FFC organization site and started to fiddle there. And then he showed us that Dinero don't expired in 2021, 2020, somewhere there it expired. But now in 2025, it is also valid. Highway now. Corruption there, kune-corruption ine-fraud there, kuyafraudwa. Now apparently Mr. Herman is the one that did these things to be valid, updated things there, and kanti LPC uyenzani? Mina, I'm shocked ke sana, guys, because who are we going to, if each and every organization in Mzansi is rotten to the core, sizothini? Sizothini ku-commissioner? Sizothini ku-commissioner, guys? Nah, I'm so shocked. I'm so shocked, sana. So, what Umnisi brought up about LPC then and that Madonsela case, when you put together that Madonsela case that Umnisi provided in court, spoke about in court, and gave Usambo a real shock and a reality check, and then Ubaloyi was silenced in the courtroom. It was like he was not there. Ugai ended up saying, you know what, I was called to come here and speak about Mjiago's issue, not anything else. Because I did not sign up for this. Where was he going to begin with? As if that is not enough, guys. Now, Jabulo and Sispet are doing all of that exercise because they are warning Herman, if ever you come through, don't come and lie. You better be honest in that courtroom. Should they call you into the courtroom, because we will expose you. And they started exposing what is happening at LPC behind the scenes. Apparently, there is another court case that is also high profile, LPC related matter and fraud does. Guys, how does one apply to go to these countries about Germany, about Russia, guys? Which degree do you need? I want to study it first. Can I go as a YouTuber and go stay there and start working and making money there? No, loko ngikhuza. Hayibo, siphi apha, guys? Kanti lo LPC, so kunabameli. Oh, the other thing that was said in one of these videos, kaSisphethe noPatricia, he was busy with me, Unjabulo, when we were talking about this. So we learned that through the LPC website, as citizens, we are supposed to check if someone is registered go LPC and go LPC and their fidelity fund certificate is actually valid. So tell me, how was that supposed to know that? Even me, I didn't know that you must check all of those nonsense. Now I know it's not nonsense, it's real matters. I know, guys. Can't you see up, guys? I remember Unjabulo even went as far as making me read some of the things about LPC. Guys, Legal Practice Council. The Legal Practice Council is a national, is a national statutory body established in terms of what? Come on. Section 4 of the Legal Practice Act number 28 of 2014. The Legal Practice Council and its provincial councils regulate the affairs of and exercise jurisdiction over all legal practitioners, attorneys and advocates and candidate legal practitioners. Guys, complaints. So Zuaba, you should complain if someone is doing something wrong. How to enroll. Examinations also. Their mandate, the Legal Practice Council is mandated to set norms and standards to provide for the admission and enrollment of legal practitioners and regulate the professional conduct of legal practitioners to ensure accountability. My goodness. And while Bebe busy usisiphethe noNjabulo, I also saw ukuthi uDineo nayo at some point withdraw into yakhe i-FFC yakhe, and then uNjabulo went to guys, Unjabulo went to a place, to one of these websites where it talks about a form. I think he clicked when it comes to reasons why would a FFC number be withdrawn, and then it said if someone was unethical, found to be unethical. You want to tell me not Dineo is also unethical? Guys, you sizofa ile case kaSenzo Nkosi yami. Yazi izosibulala le case. Yazi guys, le case izosibulala because izinto esiziva apha guys. Ithini ngo-members of the public. I'm here kule nto ka-LPC. Okay, it gives us. Hey, Nina. Now I want to leave this country, guys. No, guys. Enye into that surprises me, they spoke about 2012 there in court, a number that Njiako had in 2012, and then they spoke about 2020 and 2021 and stuff. But at this point, sidinga uSeleka, PG Seleka to do something as a chairperson to do something, LG Lewis to deputy chairperson to do something, council member NS Kanyile, they need to do something, M Divert council member, SE Panjane council member, C Vat Pringle SJ council member, MPD Chabedi SC council member, TM Nhomo Asan uMakoti, Engelbrecht, Utia, Ukitsi, Udela, Azevido, Ukutsei, Unhlapo Marabe, Asana, these council, these people need to do something about that place. No. Young frustrated. No. They need to sit down and check things out because things are out of control now. So ngumntu waphayana ngoku, it looks like nabo Herman kuzofuneka be-investigate, guys. There's a lot of things that are happening in that LPC, guys. I'm so scared. No, there's a lot of things that are happening there that needs to be checked out. I'm scared. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts with this? Because ikubonakala ngathi Umnisi, when he spoke about beneficiaries of the corruption, he spoke about a lot of people, even though perhaps he doesn't know who. But what if Mjiako and Dinewo of Umphahlele and Tonton are part of those people that benefited? At this point, you never know. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on our next video. I'm just shocked, man. I'm just shocked.